Hey, I'm Steve, and this is our new French fry cutter from Sopito. Now when you get it, you do have to install a couple pieces. It's super easy. That leverage arm is one of the things that you install, and you also install the screen of the size of the French fries that you want it cutting. Looking at it from the inside, I installed the larger cutter. If you prefer smaller cut, they do have blades for that as well. You change those 4 wing nuts on the corner to change the cutting blade. Here's an overhead view of showing you how that will push the potato through the cutting blade. Okay, let's cut some beautiful French fries. As you can see, this French fry cutter is super easy to use, and look at your finished product. Okay, once again, here's the overhead view, and here comes the French fries. They come out perfect every time. We like to use the air fryer, so here's a shot. My wife has prepped them for the air fryer. Got some seasoned salt. And here is the finished product, her pulling them out, and they are perfect. And let me tell you, they were delicious. Groceries are sky high right now, so not only will this save you money, but they taste fantastic and fresh. We love it.